Most people think AI is just a tool, but in reality, AI is already replacing many human tasks across industries. In this video, I'll explain how AI tools are replacing human jobs, which tasks are affected first, and what skills actually matter going forward. This is not fear-based, this is educational, and the final section of this video is the most important. Let's begin. The first area where AI is replacing human work is writing and content creation. Companies now use AI tools to write emails, reports, blogs, and marketing content. What once required an entire team can now be done by one person with AI support. This shift is not happening in the future. It is already happening quietly inside companies. AI is not replacing people overnight. It is replacing specific tasks, and once tasks are automated, job roles slowly change. Let's look at the first major category. Section 1. Writing and content jobs. Writing was once considered a fully human skill, but today AI tools can write emails, blog posts, ad copies, product descriptions, and reports in minutes. Companies use AI for internal emails, marketing content, website blogs, social media captions, basic reports. Instead of hiring multiple writers, companies now use one person with AI assistance. This does not eliminate creativity, but it drastically reduces the number of people required. What used to take hours now takes minutes, and this is just the beginning. The next category affects even more people. Section 2. Video, design, and creative tasks. Video editing and graphic design were once time-consuming and expensive. Today, AI tools can generate videos, thumbnails, voiceovers, and visuals automatically. Companies now use AI to create training videos, generate marketing videos, produce social media content, design basic graphics and presentations. This means fewer editors are needed for basic work. Humans are still required for creativity and strategy, but repetitive creative tasks are increasingly automated. And the next area is where the impact becomes very serious. Section 3. Customer support and operations. Customer support was traditionally handled by large teams. Today, AI systems can respond to emails, chats, and support tickets instantly. Companies now use AI to answer common customer questions, handle chat support 24/7, route issues automatically, reduce response time. This does not remove all human roles, but it reduces the size of support teams significantly. Humans are now involved mainly in complex cases, escalations, quality control. Many companies quietly reduce hiring and support roles because AI already handles most routine work. And the next category affects knowledge-based jobs. Section 4. Data, research, and analysis jobs. Research and data analysis once required hours of manual effort. AI can now read documents, analyze data, and summarize insights in seconds. Companies use AI to summarize reports, analyze spreadsheets, extract insights from documents, support decision-making. This means analysts now spend less time collecting information and more time reviewing and validating AI-generated insights. The role changes from doing the work to supervising the work. And the next section affects one of the most respected professions. Section 5. Coding, software, and automation. For a long time, software development was considered future-proof, but AI is now changing how coding work is done. AI tools can write basic code, fix bugs, explain existing code, automate repetitive development tasks. Companies use AI to speed up development, reduce errors, and reduce dependency on large teams. This does not mean programmers are becoming useless, but it does mean fewer developers are needed for the same amount of work. Junior-level and repetitive coding tasks are the most affected. Senior developers are now expected to review AI-generated code, design systems, make architectural decisions. The job does not disappear, the job evolves. And this brings us to the most important part of this video. Section 6. What this really means for the future. AI is not replacing humans. AI is replacing tasks. Jobs that are repetitive, rule-based, and predictable are the first to change. Jobs that involve creativity, critical thinking, decision-making. Human judgment will not disappear, but they will evolve. The most important skill going forward is not learning one specific tool, it is learning how to work with AI. People who understand AI will replace people who don't. Companies will not ask, "Can you do this task?" They will ask, "Can you do this task with AI?" This is the real shift happening right now. If you want to stay relevant, focus on learning AI tools, understanding workflows, adapting faster than others. This is not the end of jobs. This is a transformation of work. If this video helped you understand what's happening, the next video explains how companies are quietly using AI tools every day. I'll see you there.